This shows how easily we can enhance the capabilities of Claude by adding and managing skills. We can create skill by using any of these three options. Imagine someone gives you a task, but you don't have the skill to do it. Can you actually complete it? Of course not. But if you acquire the right skills, suddenly the same task becomes possible. That's exactly how AI works too. And that's why companies like Anthropic, Microsoft, and Google are rapidly adopting a new approach called the Skill Framework. Welcome to Agentic Navigator. In today's video, we learn how to create and use skills in Claude step by step with a practical demo. So let's start. Think of a skill as a ready-made toolkit where instructions, data, and rules all bundled together to get a task done. Technically, we need to define a file called skill.md file. Inside it, you define everything which Claude needs to achieve the desired task. To create and use skills in Claude, you don't need a paid plan. You can get started with the free version. Let's now create a skill called Key Point Extractor. This skill, once used by the Claude, will extract 5 key points from any given document. Open Claude Desktop. Click on the plus icon and select Manage Skill to start creating your skill. If you see, Create Skill has 3 sub-options. Create with Claude, Write Skill Instructions, and Upload a Skill. We can use any option to create the skill, but the easiest one is Create with Claude. With this option, you simply describe what your skill should do. For example, let's create a skill that extracts 5 key points from a given document. Here's how you can do it. Claude will then guide you through the required details and automatically create the skill with name, description, and instruction. Now, if we see, Claude has created required skill with the name Key Points Extractor. We can either download this skill or save it to Claude for using it in future. Let's save this skill so that we can use it to extract key points from some document. Now, our Key Point Extractor skill is ready for use. We can now upload any document to Claude, and this skill will extract important points without giving any instruction by us to the Claude. You can click Manage option to edit your skill anytime you want. You can view your newly created skill by clicking the plus icon and navigating to skill. You can also use / command to see your skill. Now, let's put our Key Point Extractor skill to work in Claude and see what it can do. Here is the document which has some content related to cloud design pattern. As you can see, it is very long document. We would be using this document to extract only useful 5 key points using the skill we just created. Let's upload that PDF document and select our newly created Key Point Extractor skill. The most exciting part is now here. As we can see that we have not given any instruction, but Claude is automatically extracting 5 key points from this document by using the skill we provided. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can edit your skill at any time by going to Claude and selecting the Manage Skills option. From there, you can choose between options like Edit or Edit with Claude. Let's proceed with the Edit option. As you can see, the skill name cannot be changed, but the description and instructions can be updated. Always keep in mind, regardless of the option you choose, Claude or any AI model requires 3 key elements to create a skill: the skill name, a description, and the body with detailed instructions. Please subscribe Agentic Navigator to see more video in this series. Thanks for watching.